How to make corn on the cob in 2 minutes. Take corn, roll it up in paper towel. Wet it thoroughly. So wet. Squeeze out excess. Get it so that it's like, I don't know, wet. Covers the paper towel, put it on the plate. Microwave, cover. Power level maximum, 2 minutes. Extra radiation from the phone and the microwave. I'll try and figure out how to fast forward this part later on. But at the 1 minute mark, you want to stop it, turn the corn around so that it cooks the other side evenly as well. Around 1 minute. Doesn't have to be perfect. Sometimes I will pre-melt a little butter and salt on a frying pan and finish it that way. But mostly I just take it out and I think I overturned it there. Salt, pepper, butter. My super messy kitchen drawer. Costco. You can actually smell, it smells like the cooking corn. Really, really hot, be careful. And that's pretty much it. Unwrap it. Holy shit. Butter it up. Fuck. Let's see. Take like a half-size patty of butter and just let them melt in. I just let the butter melt from the top and sink in. Let gravity do its work. It just covers the whole thing. Same amount of time as a bag of popcorn, except much healthier. You heard about like, oh no, I don't know about you, but I heard about stuff on the TV about things like saying that the butter they put in that stuff is not really healthy for you, or some sort of oil. Cancer causing, just like everything else. Oh, missed a spot right there. It's a lot easier with two hands. This whole process is much easier. Food porn. Holy crap. Okay, so more or less like that. And finish with salt and pepper. Pepper. Go. I like a lot of pepper on mine. And fresh corn on the cob, more or less 2 minutes, even though this video took like 6. Enjoy!